Hello, we are going to create the video tutorial for the beginners. Here we will try to make a plant shape, add different and unique gradient into it. Let's find the layer style to put into that shape we have taken into the editing canvas. We are in Photoshop. Photoshop is the best tool for the beginners and the advanced editors as well. So you can use the different tools in Photoshop to create your designs, edit more. We will use the pattern stamp over these shapes, make it more fascinating there. So let's find the shapes here. I will try to create different designs of these given shapes here. So that's it. Thank you for watching.